This video is for people who want to get more yield on their crypto, or if you're an intermediate or advanced trader who already know or understand how to use margin. Maybe you're looking for a solid platform that's rich with features and has a great track record. And I have one for you. It's called Prime XBT that I've covered several times before in the past, especially their co-vesting module, which is for copy trading. But they've got a lot of new stuff coming out and a huge version 2 platform that they've just launched. Some things include yield accounts where they do the heavy lifting for us, new benefits for the Cove token, and a UI that looks very different compared to the last time when we took a look. So in this sponsored video, I'll dive into their yield feature and Cove token first, and then we can take a live look together at their new interface. Sound good? Well, strap in my friend and let's dive right in. All right, so the first biggest thing is their co-vesting yield accounts. And this is an exciting new feature that's not out yet, but it is coming soon. So in the meantime, you can sign up for their waitlist, and when it launches, you'll get a bonus too. What it does is simple, right? You can earn staking income on crypto that's held in your Prime XBT account. They're gonna first support USDC and USDT, but with large caps like Bitcoin and Ether and other ones coming soon. It's kind of like Yearn Finance if you've dove into the DeFi space before. Basically, that connects different yield protocols to help you generate the highest returns possible. But the difference is that you don't need to do this stuff manually. It's just a few clicks from a single account. I mean, yes, of course it's a centralized service, but it's definitely easier than figuring out the sometimes complicated world of DeFi. This new category of services, if you have heard of them before, is called cDeFi. This is all done through Prime XBT, which is a licensed and regulated exchange with 24/7 support. And if you think about it, the benefit is the same for this service or just DeFi yield farming, right? You get better returns than those stale banking returns that gives you like 1% for your savings account. In this case, there's no lock-in period. You can withdraw at any time and interest is added daily. They're gonna let you get started with just $100 if you wanna try it out, which I definitely recommend you to do this way, right? For every new crypto product, you definitely should dip your toe in and try it out end to end before you go nuts. They also have a promotion, like I said earlier, for an additional 1% APY on top of their variable rates for the first month that you're a user. Now, their Cove token, I touched on this a little bit in a previous video, but they got a lot of new stuff and added utility going on. You gotta remember, this is like a utility token, similar to Binance Coin or BNB. It unlocks benefits for you like fee discounts and profit sharing. But they have some new features too, like you can stake it to earn additional tokens. And if you do this along with those yield accounts, you can boost your returns even more. They also added Cove liquidity pairs on Uniswap and PancakeSwap, but that's for a little bit more of the advanced users here. Lastly, they're doing a burn program, and they've already burned $500,000 worth of Cove, which adds a lot of deflationary pressure on the token. And as always, with all things held equal, that can only help with the price, right? So the main updates in a nutshell, right? Increased profit sharing, reduced strategy entry fee, increased individual following limits. These are all things for the co-vesting copy trading module, by the way, and up to 30% trading fee discounts. Now, in terms of the tokenomics, they have a small circulating supply of around 20 million tokens and a low market cap right now of $14 million. So if you do use their platform, then definitely go check them out and see what these tokens can afford you too. All right, so that was the Cove token and their exciting yield accounts coming real soon. But now let's take a live look at their version 2 of the platform that was recently launched. All right, so here we are at the main Prime XBT dashboard. This is version 2 of their platform. So it looks quite different from the last time we saw it. And last time we took a look at this co-vesting feature that you can go up here on the top dashbar. But let's go back to main page. And this time I want to show you some new features and their new interface, right? And give you an overview of what all they offer. And by the way, they also gave me 2 promo codes that I want to share with you. You can get them in the description below. But how you use them is you go to these margin accounts like Margin BTC, and then you can activate promo codes in this box right here on the right-hand side. So if you do decide to sign up, if you do know what you're doing with this stuff, then go use those promo codes. I'll leave for you down below. And what those codes do for you is to get you some bonuses and fee discounts if you want to trade on here. On this main page, we have this wallet section, and they added USDT and USDC. So these are new additions, and ETH as well. These were widely requested by their community, so it's great to see them add this. And the stablecoins are super important because they wanted an option to reduce volatility in the base pair they were using, right? So that's what that accomplishes. And you can also open new margin accounts down here. If you go to open new account, you can select a new currency like USDC and click confirm. And then boom, it shows up right here along with margin BTC and margin ETH. Another cool thing they have is reports. On this left-hand side column, you can click on reports and you can look at all of your history of your trades and generate a statement. And it's going to show you something like this. I don't have anything on here now, but it gives you a super detailed overview about all of your trading on their platform, and super useful to reconcile your positions and to do accounting or bookkeeping too. Another huge feature that they have is referrals, also on this left-hand side. If you click in here, you can get your referral code and look at your payouts, your referred users, your total funded, and your network. And you can get a different cut of their fees depending on like if they're directly your referrals or indirectly, right? That's pretty straightforward. And by the way, if those other people trade in various currencies like ETH or stablecoins or BTC, then you get paid out in that specific currency. So that's something that they do. Now let's take a closer look at their co-vesting module and some new stuff here, because I have a deep dive into this part of their platform already that I'll leave a link for at the end of this video. But this is where you access your yield accounts on this left-hand side. I already clicked on join waiting list, so you see this little message, but this is where you would click on the join waiting list button to get an additional 1% yield during the first month when they launch in estimated Q3 of 2021. These are the yield accounts I was talking about earlier, by the way. And this is just the main rating dashboard of the co-vesting, but you can see other traders that you can follow or like copy trade them. And you can see their stats, their active days, followers, performance, the amount of equity they're managing, their rating on their unique 5-star system. Like, I've done a deep dive into this before, so I'm not going to dig in this time, but you should definitely go take a look at all of that. But here's something interesting, the new My Cove for the Cove token. And you can see how much you own, how much is locked and available, get some details about the token, all up here about their market cap, their total supply, the total staked, total burned, and their Etherscan address. And if you stake it, you can get different tiered membership rewards that you can get less entry fees, more profit sharing, more individual following limits, and so forth, trading fee discounts. You can get all of that by holding a certain amount of Cove, and you can activate that here as well. Something that's really cool is their token burn process, and you can see information straight up here about when they burned, how much, transaction ID, the total burned. And this is awesome because this is a deflationary pressure on the token, right? So that can only help with the price potentially. Now, another really cool part of this platform is the analysis page. Up top, you see here analysis, and you can see charts, and they have some other stuff coming soon, like a market research section and a latest news section. And the point is that Prime XBT wants you guys and other traders to be informed and to help them out, because they make money off of trading fees. So when people trade more, they're doing well, right? They don't necessarily want you to just get wrecked really quick and then never come back. So yeah, this is it, the V2 platform. Okay, so that was a quick walkthrough of their new and improved site. In general, Prime XBT has a ton of features that you need for secure trading. They're really proud of their 99.9% uptime and that they've never been hacked since they launched in 2018. They also offer 24/7 customer support. Also, if you're curious about their copy trading module, go watch my video about co-vesting up here, or this video too. Go join their Telegram channel. They're super friendly and helpful, and use my promo codes for discounts and bonuses. I'll leave in the description below. I'm Kevin from BFB. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Cheers.